honeys? How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Well, I have another prize mail, and this one is from My Gadget Kitchen. And Crystal from My Gadget Kitchen. So she also had an auto generator to pick the name. I got to learn how to use that auto generator. So she had a giveaway because she's celebrating her, I don't know how many thousands of subbies, her, I think 1 year being on YouTube, and her birthday. So she had a giveaway. So it came this morning. It was shipped right from Amazon. Okay, this is what I won. The blue velvet stackable stainless steel insert pans. Okay, these are the pans you put inside of your pressure cooker. You can stack your whatever food you want to cook. Stack it in these pans. Let me show y'all what these look like. Come packaged up nicely. Like I said, this Blue Velvet brand. This company actually contacted me about 7 months ago and asked me would I be interested in getting this free and reviewing it. I said, sure. I'll give them a good video using their product. I ain't heard nothing else from them. So, I got it anyway, y'all. Look at here. Got it anyway. So, I really wanted it. So, seeing other people do pot-in-pot cooking. That's what this is called. When you cook in a pot and you stick it down in the pressure cooker pot. So it comes with this, what you call this thing, handle, rack, trivet thingy to make it easy for you to pull this hot pot out of the pressure cooker after the food is done. Okay, and this is the way it looks. Okay. Very nice. Okay, this is the first layer. It has a lid. Has a little booklet, how to use it, and some recipes in here. Oh, you got this where you can divide your foods inside the pot. Look at that. Everything is stainless steel. So if you want to cook corn, green beans, potatoes, you can separate everything. You don't have to use aluminum foil to separate your food. You can use something made specifically for this. And it's this. Okay, that's paper that comes off this blue pot. That would have been cute if they had a painted this blue. Cute. Here's the bottom pot. Things are nice stainless steel, nice heavyweight stuff. Very nice. If I'm gonna put this, don't want to peel this off now. I'll get it off later. Put this. So you put your meat in this bottom pot. They suggest that you put the food that takes the longest to cook on the bottom. So put it in the bottom pot. Put your vegetables or whatever in the top pot. Put the lid on it. Put this rack thingamajig. I can't see what I'm doing. See there? Very nice. You can also bake a two-layer cake in here. And I read somewhere this has holes on the side to let the steam out. Let me look at it. I don't see them. It's not in the bottom part. I don't like messing up my nails. Ugh, my nails scrape that. Well, anyway, I'll do that later. But this has holes, supposedly. A couple holes at the top of the top pot to let the steam escape when it's down in the pressure cooker. Because you know you have to put water down in your pressure cooker. Set this down in the pressure cooker. And then cook your food. So I will be using this because I did want one. And after that company didn't send me one like they promised, I sure wasn't going to buy one from them. So, Crystal, I want to thank you so much, and I will leave a link to Crystal's YouTube channel down in the description box. Okay, I want to thank you, Crystal, from My Gadget Kitchen, for this nice prize mail. Thank you so much. And I will leave a link to her channel down below. And let me see. So y'all be sure and check out her channel. That lady can cook, y'all. She got all kind of gadgets. Everything you can think of, she has it. And stuff you can't think of because you ain't heard of it yet, she has it. For real. And she uses all her stuff. And she's a good cook. Okay. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you know what? I'm going to leave a link to this. You can find it on Amazon. So I'm going to leave you a link. Or maybe one like this. But this is pretty heavy duty. So I really like this. Because all stainless steel is not created equal. So this is very nice. So thanks again. Okay, let me get my thumbnail. How come I'll never think of the thumbnail till I'm about to end the video. Let me turn this so you can see the name. Blue Velvet. That's good. Okay. Thanks again. Bye for real now. Be blessed.